Gravedigger the Legend, Spin Master Monster Jam, Series 15. On the back of the card, Gravedigger the Legend is in Retro Rebels, and then El Toro Loco is in Legacy Trucks. Then we have Hurricane Force in Elements Trucks, Avenger in the World Finals, Maximum Destruction in the Retro Rebels, then Son of a Digger in Boneyard Trucks, Universe Trucks with Northern Nightmare, Thunder 4x4 is in Forces of Nature, and the Ride Truck Earth Shaker. Here is the poster for Series 15. It is the Avengers design of Monster Jam World Finals 20. It does say Gravedigger, and it has just like the Gravedigger, the green version detail on it, and then does have the Monster Jam logo as well. It says Gravedigger. On to the truck itself now. Gravedigger the Legend. Look at this. This is beautiful with those yellow beadlock rims going around the wheel and also the tire, the BKT tire. The only thing that's missing is the white lettering to do the letters of BKT. That would have been nice, but let's go ahead and check it out. Gravedigger the Legend, Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. The Monster Jam logo. Other than that, it's pretty much a silver and blue looking. It's a darker blue than the one that came out in 2019 in the doubles pack, but I like this. This is looking really nice. On the back, there's the back of the truck, and then it has back-to-back Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion. So there we have it. This is a really nice addition to the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.